Good morning, everyone. I'm Gayatri from the Department of CSE Cybersecurity. Today, I'm here to present our idea of Busify, which is basically an app that ensures smoother and safer transportation, especially public transportation. Now, let us see the challenges we are facing yesterday while using the public transportation. The first one is a lack of customized notification, which is a big issue. Example, the passengers don't get the real time alerts, like when their bus is approaching, if they're any delayed or rerouted. Because of this, people are wasting time waiting at the bus stop and often miss their buses. The personalized notification could help users to plan their travel and better and reduce the frustrations. The second one is absence of digital ticketing. This still forces the passengers to rely on manual ticketing. This slows down the boarding, creates a long queues, and causes the issues like cash handling errors and ticket mail loss. Digital tickets would make the process faster, more transparent, and convenient for both the passengers and conductor. Third one, there is no proper lost and found system. If a passenger lost an item on the bus, there is no centralized platform to report or recover it. This leads to permanent loss of their personal belongings and reduce the trust in public transportation services. A digital lost and found system would make a recovery easier and more organized. Another major concern is limited safety features for women, especially. The lack of SOS alerts, emergency buttons, or live monitoring makes travel unsafe, especially during the late hours. Adding the safety features can increase the confidence and ensure the quicker response during any emergencies. Um, because of these inefficiencies, global traffic congestions is expected to cost cities over 350 billion annually by 2030. I mean 2030. This shows how urgent it is to modernize the public transportation using the smart digital focused solutions. Now let us see how our solution integrates with the real world and make the public transportation as easier. Our solution, Busify, is designed to make the public transport safer, faster, and smarter by connecting the passengers and transport operators through a single intelligent platform. First, the smart passenger notification system. This keeps the user informed at every step of their journey. For example, if a person missed any of their buses, particular buses, for example, a person is going to college every day at the same bus, so he has a lot of possibility to miss the bus every day. So in that cases, our solution Busify will enable a notification like this bus you are regularly going has arrived this nearest bus stop in 5 minutes, so you can plan accordingly, right? And the next one is digital ticketing using QR, which removes the need for a manual ticketing. Passenger can book and validate a ticket directly through their phones. This speed up boarding reduces the cash handling issues and reduces the long queues they are waiting. And the third one is real-time bus tracking. The passengers are allowed to track the exact location of a bus in the live map. Operators can also monitor vehicle movement, improve the route efficiency, and reduce the congestions. This transparency builds the trust between the people who are using the public transportation and the overall system. And finally, women safety SOS alerts, which is the core feature of the Busify. In emergency, passengers can trigger a SOS alert that instantly notify the authorities or operators and emergency contacts. Live tracking and monitoring ensures a faster response and safer travel, especially during the late hours. Overall, the Busify transforms the traditional public transportation into a smart mobility system, improving the user experience, safety, and operational efficiency for the future. Let us go through how our solution works. Um, so, this is our app Busify. Now, let's log in with our credentials. Yes, hi. Just okay. Now you know, right? These are the buses arriving in 7 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes. to Tandalam. So here we can book the ticket, select pickup, select the drop, bus code, and confirm and get ticket. Please select pickup and drop. Okay, so from Savita Medical College we have to Queensland. Confirm and get QR. Okay, show QR. Okay, here the QR of for your bus ticket will be shown. We can also download it. Now we can close it. Okay, back. And here is a live map. Now we can search for the bus route. Pickup point. Same Savita Medical College to Queensland. Now let's search. Yeah. This shows that the 15B Tandalam bus, which is arrives at Savita Medical College in 7 minutes. So now let's see bus stops. Okay, these are the routes we have in Tandalam bus, and then go back to lost and found modules. We have uh, earlier we have said, right, if we lost anything in our bus, we can just report it in our app. So this is the lost and found module where we can just add anything if you lost. Now let's add some item. mm, yeah, bag. We can just choose any files here. Bus number PN05 is 0856. Importance, medium importance, description. If you want anything, any personalized information, we can also share here, but don't share uh any private informations. So reported Gayatri, green color bag with the water bottle. We just submit it. Yes. Here the last item we have added is will be notified to the admin panel. Once if it is found, the we will be notified. And then SOS alert. So whenever you feel any uncomfortable while traveling the public transportation, you just trigger an SOS alert. Now SOS alert will be sent. That will be notified. So that's how our solution will work. Based on the user preference, we can also have future preferences and features later. Now we can see the product features. As I already told, Busify product features are designed to make the public transport efficient, transparent, and safer for everyone. The first one is real-time tracking, which uses the GPS to show the live bus location, speed, and estimated arrival time. Passengers will know exactly when the bus will arrive their stop, reducing the waiting time. Next one is digital ticketing, allows the passenger to buy the ticket, validate them, and store the ticket digitally using the QR. This removes manual ticketing system. And the next one, lost and found feature, which helps a passenger to report whether if anything lost, and the system matches the reported item between the users. And the next one, smart notification, which provides the personalized alert for the bus arrivals, delays, and service updates. Women's safety is a core priority. So, an emergency SOS button instantly alerts the authorities and shares the passenger's live location, ensuring the smoother transportation and quicker response and safety transportation. For operations, Busify offers multiple dashboards. The conductor dashboards handle the ticket validations and passenger management, etc. So the driver dashboard shows the route details, navigation, and schedules. The admin dashboard gives us centralized control over the routes, buses, fuel usage, and like that. Finally, the analytics and reporting provides an insights on passengers flow, route efficiency, helping the authorities to make the data driven decisions. All of this is supported by cloud integration. It ensures the seamless communications, scalability, and reliability. And the next one is how our technology works. How it works, the technology architecture. The Busify ensures the simple but powerful technical flow that connect buses, cloud system, and users in real time. First, on the bus side, we install a GPS and telematics devices. These continuously collect the live data, bus location, speed, and route details. The data is sent to the cloud backend hosted on the AWS. Here, an API gateway securely handles all the incoming requests. User details, routes, and ticketing data are stored safely in the database, while the real time bus locations are cached for the fast access. Our bus tracking process this live data to calculate the arrival time accurately. At the time, the notification service sends an alert to the passengers when the bus is nearby or delayed. Okay. Now in the front end, we have three main apps of passenger app, the driver, and the admin dashboard. For the payment, Busify integrates securely with the external payment gateways like UPI, like that. So overall, the data flows from the bus to clouds and cloud to user, making the entire system real time and reliable and scalable. Our competitive advantage is the next thing we have to see. Okay, this is the competitive advantage. Busify stands out because it doesn't track buses. It's all the real commuter pain points. The first, personalized to smart alerts. Unlike the existing app that just shows the location, Busify actively notifies the user when their scheduled bus is close to their stop. And the second one is integrated digital ticketing. Uh, so which makes the travel faster, cashless, and paper free. Third one is safety and trust features. Busify includes the SOS alerts for women's safety, which is an outstanding feature. There's none of the other apps similar to Busify as. And lost and found module, which is also a completes the lack of most current solution. This creates a trust among users. Finally, the all-in-one platform, Busify, connects the passenger, driver, conductor, and the admin into one unified ecosystem. And the next one is business model. Business model. The Busify follows a diverse and scalable business model, ensuring a steady revenue. First is subscription-based model. Transport authorities and private operators pay monthly or yearly fees to use the Busify tracking dashboards and management tools. The second one is transaction commission. A small percentage is earned from the digital ticket booked through QR. As ridership grows, the revenue scales naturally. Third, in-app advertisement. Local businesses or travel-related service can advertise inside the app, generating the additional income without disturbing users. So the fourth one is data analytics services. Busify provides the paid insights on route efficiency, passengers flow, fuel usage, and scheduling, which helps the operators to optimize the cost. And this mix of the subscriptions, transactions, ads, and analytics makes the Busify financially strong and sustainable. The next one is market validation and net traction. Busify targets a huge market validation. Daily commutators like students, office goers faces the unpredictable schedules, safety concerns every day. Some maybe feels like today we go to bus in 8 o'clock. Tomorrow we'll go in 8:30. Based on the schedule, we have a different preference. So this creates a strong demand for the smart transportation solution, and the smartphone penetration is growing rapidly, which means users are already comfortable using the mobile apps for tickets and tracking, just like UPIs and all. There is also a strong government backing through initiatives like the Smart City Mission, which actively promotes the data driven public transportation system. And the smart transportation market is projected to reach the 250 billion by 2030, and over 60% of the daily commuters faces challenges like delay and uncertainty today. This shows Busify is not just an idea, it's a scalable solution for global problem. And the next slide is financial projections. Busify financial structure is built for long-term growth. On the revenue side, incomes from subscriptions and ticket transaction commissions, in-app advertisement, paid analytics services. On the cost side, expenses are well distributed. 40% for the app development and maintenance, 25% for the cloud hosting and infrastructure, 20% of marketing and user acquisition, and 15% will be support and partnerships. This balanced cost distributions ensures the control spending while scaling. As cities adopt a smart transport and user-based growth, Busify is positioned to achieve a high profitability with a sustainable margins. So this is how our system works from front end to back end, and everything will be discussed now. So thank you.